Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your garden level and grow a garden beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can increase our garden's level, I'm going to show you my current level. As you can see, I'm on level 8. And if you want to increase the level, we can go to the garden guide. I'm going to search for my guidebook. Wait. Okay. All right, and we can open up the achievements and we can complete the achievement to increase the level. As you can see guys, I have already completed the common achievements, so my level has increased to 8, as you can see. And you need to get the XP to increase the level. As you can see that I need 150 XP to the next level, to the 11 level 9. Okay, then you can unlock each achievements here. Wait, I'm going to open the uncommon achievement. Okay, you can claim the XP after you completed the achievement. Yeah. Okay guys, and that's all the way to increase the garden level and grow a garden beanstalk update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!